A lot of guys ask me if they have low testosterone or they're not sure and so forth. So today I'm going to reveal 7 scary signs that you might have low testosterone or maybe underperforming testicles. Now, you see, most guys don't realize that they have low testosterone, even guys in their 20s, and certainly men in their 40s and beyond. Now, statistics clearly show that men's testosterone are at an all-time low in history, basically half of what they were over 100 years ago. Sadly, the lowering of testosterone starts as early as your mid-20s. However, what's really bad is that you'll look and feel, older, right? You think you have low testosterone, you end up going to the doctor, you do a blood test, and he'll say, oh, it's fine, right? You're in the normal range, and then off you go with no solution. And the problem is that this normal range is very big. Anywhere between 250 to 1100 nanograms per deciliter. So if you fall anywhere in between, you're considered, quote unquote, normal. However, there's a big difference between normal and optimal range, right? It's just like making money, right? Maybe the normal salary, yearly salary is $50,000 a year. But what if you could easily make, $100,000 or $250,000 a year simply by making some small changes, at work or in your lifestyle? And that's what you'll discover at the end of today's video. Just one small change that you can do to double or even triple your testosterone. And I'll get to that in a couple minutes. However, I first want to reveal the 7 warning signs that you have suboptimal or most likely just low testosterone. And I say warning signs because low testosterone, or what I call not optimal testosterone levels, is directly linked to many diseases and health ailments, such as high cholesterol or diabetes, thyroid problems, high blood pressure, even depression, memory loss, of course, prostate cancer, osteoporosis, and a few others. Simply stated, low testosterone is causing you to age faster. So I'm going to quickly list the top 7 signs that you have low testosterone and then also reveal one of my favorite natural solutions. However, before I continue, if you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so right now while it's fresh on your mind, because I've got some very important videos coming out soon about this topic and similar ones, and I don't want you to miss out. All right, let's start with the very first problem is low sex drive and libido. Now, one of the biggest signs is that, you do have low libido, and this includes physical and or emotional drive. So don't think it's just limited to, erectile dysfunction or a physical urge. The lack of emotional desire is also a sign because your brain has lots of testosterone receptors. Number 2 is depression or feeling unmotivated. Like I said, your brain has testosterone receptors and basically that low testosterone leads to a lack of drive in life, not just, lack of sex drive. You're basically, not motivated, or you're more irritable, or, they say grumpy old men. It's because of low testosterone. You might also have more anxiety or feel down or depressed at times. Basically, you feel, blah about life, and you don't really want to do much or socialize. Number 3, muscle loss. Now, I'm sure you already know that testosterone plays a big role in muscle size. And if you're exercising and you're not gaining muscle, or you're slowly losing muscle each year, then you probably have low testosterone. Also, to a lesser degree, loss of strength is also an indicator of low testosterone. Next, and this is a big one, is increased body fat. Low testosterone is also a big indicator of higher body fat, especially that unhealthy belly fat and love handles. And if you're starting to get even, man boobs, or called gynecomastia, then for sure you have low T and also higher estrogen. Number 5, fatigue. Have you ever noticed that, men typically require less sleep than women? Well, testosterone plays a big role here. So if you're, more tired and you need naps and can barely get through the day, let alone have extra energy to just go exercise or do much of anything else, then you probably have low testosterone. Number 6 is memory loss. And this is a big one that most people don't know. Remember that your brain has many receptors for sex hormones such as testosterone, cortisol, which is a stress hormone, estrogen, and other female hormones. However, what's interesting is that your brain's memory centers are loaded with testosterone receptors. So if you seem to be forgetful, or if you're worried about Alzheimer's disease or dementia in the future, then you better improve your testosterone levels. And number 7 is accelerated aging. Have you ever noticed that some, older men, they just look younger than someone they're, around the same age? That better skin, more head hair, and so forth. This is because testosterone is a youth hormone and plays a very important role in skin and hair production. Now, most people erroneously believe that hair loss is due to actually having high testosterone. However, the opposite is true. It's from low testosterone. Listen, if high testosterone was the reason for hair loss, then all the teenagers and guys in their 20s would be bald. But that's obviously not the case, right? Testosterone also plays an improvement in your skin collagen and elasticity, and joint health, and also prostate size. So if you're starting to look older than your age, it's time to increase your testosterone.